I have here a 2872 6-line touch-a-matic 32 telephone set. This is a very early telephone set, as in it doesn't have a retainer ring that the later generation phones have. It was part of the faceplate that was a molded one-piece item. This was only, from my knowledge, on the very first early issued telephones. This memory dial looks the same as the other memory cards. However, on the back it had the integrated circuit chip that's quite unique, which I'd not seen any of those before. This phone, of course, was mass produced. We believe this is an F-series phone because the IC chip has an F-series number on it, and again the faceplate is a different generation. This was a brand new old stock phone, manufactured in 1972, December of 72. It's a very nice, clean green telephone. All right, I will program a number into the memory of the telephone, and then I will speed dial that number. So there's a record button, turns on the red LED, and then I will select the memory location that I want the call to be recorded in, and then I will dial the number, and then I'll turn the record off. So I've just put a number which will be busy when I call it into speed dial location number 1. So I'll go off hook on my line. Because I'm using my test cable on the workbench, I have the first 4 lines, the same line on all 4 buttons, and then I have another line over here. So I will press the speed dial location, and it dialed the number out in DTMF, and my step-by-step machine is got a converter to convert the call. Right now I've reached the busy number. Notice the size of the legs on this chip. I've never seen a chip like this before, and I've seen thousands of integrated circuit chips. We have here 2 touch-a-matic 32 memory boards. The memory board that is on the left side of the screen was a mass-produced later generation memory board. The memory board on the right side of the screen was a very early first generation. If you notice, the integrated circuit chip on the right hand board is substantially different. I believe these were probably the very first generation of integrated circuits that Western Electric actually made.